Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm not sure what's happening.
You have every opportunity.
Something so simple.
That's all my stuff on the floor.
I'm not resisting.
Can you pick up my stuff?
We're gonna get your loan.
No, but can you pick up my
Yeah, we're gonna get your stuff.
We'll get it.
No, but I'm not doing anything. Guys, I'm not doing anything.
You're gonna eat the ground, bro. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, I'm not. I am.
Okay? I do not want to take you to jail. But
I
relax.
don't want to go to jail.
Okay, relax. Listen and relax.
But I'm also not afraid to go to jail.
Listen, everything was easy. Everything was easy. I should make this easy. Step outside.
He actually touched me. He actually touched me.
Okay, let's go outside. Let's go
You gotta
outside.
leave the property. You gotta leave the property.
I'm being nice about it, man. Come on.
Before any arrest was declared, an officer physically restrained a civilian. At what exact moment does the legal authority to use force begin? That single question determines whether everything that followed was lawful.
That is How you doing,
How you doing?
officer?
How you doing? What's going
So I'm
on?
gonna explain the situation to you just like this. So, before we left this establishment, we left here 2 hours ago. The person that was here 2 hours ago was this nice young lady here and this nice gentleman here. We returned to this establishment. We left out the airport like full. We went to the gas station. When we came back, neither one of these two people that we know these people, but another person, curly hair, she came out and she was like, "Oh, y'all two? Yeah, y'all done. That's it. It's a wrap." So we tried to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
Like, what happened?
When you say what you mean, you too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm like, what happened? She was like, "Oh no, you guys are cut off. You guys left your bags and all this and that." And I tried to explain to her, I tried to explain to the manager that we talked to the person that works here that allowed us to leave our stuff here. That's why our stuff was here.
What's going on? So pretty much the manager on duty here has a server over here serving gentlemen drinks for some time. Been here quite a while. Apparently, from what the gentleman told me, they walked away, left their baggage laying around while the other bartender went on break. But before the bartender went on break, she informed the manager when the gentlemen come back on Sunday morning, they've already had someone to drink. Okay. So, granted, my manager didn't handle it properly, so I got to retrain her how to have a situation like this. But he tried to explain to them that they were being cut off. Okay, so then they started getting unruly and right with her as to why they can't keep being served. That they walked away. Apparently, I don't know how many hours, leaving their bags here. I was putting them on standing. And that they feel that they're entitled to have more drinks.
Okay. So what would you want?
I just want them removed. What's up, man?
Just don't like people behind me.
Are you part of this?
Yeah, I'm part of
Have a
it.
seat.
No,
Have a seat.
I don't want people behind me.
Okay, have a seat. Because we're not done. We're still talking. That's it. Have a seat.
No pushing.
I'm asking you nicely.
No, we're gonna be friends.
All right, we're gonna be friends.
We're gonna be friends.
They're still talking, so I want
Yeah,
you to.
I don't.
You don't want this anything that more important.
I don't want people fucking
Understand.
backing up behind me.
Okay. Well, I don't want.
Both of you guys are backing up behind me.
I do not want anybody. Understand? You understand that?
Why did you throw me down?
I didn't throw you down. I pushed you here.
No, you threw me down.
No, I did not.
Why'd you do that?
I'm telling you to sit down.
Why'd you do that?
Okay?
Get up and have a seat right
Have a
there.
seat,
I'm not
man.
causing any problem.
Have a seat. I asked you 5 times. Have a seat.
Why'd you do that?
Have a seat. Now.
Before you eat the
Sit
ground,
down.
have a
I
seat.
don't know why.
Okay.
I did
Well,
that.
have a seat, just sit down and relax. That's it. Telling you to sit down, just sit down, that's it.
Why'd
The
you
lawful
do that?
order, sir. I wasn't asking you out.
Sorry.
I'm telling
sorry,
you.
Sorry.
Hey.
Sorry.
We don't play around here.
Say what?
We don't play around here. When we tell you to do something, you got to do it.
Do anything.
You weren't listening to him. He told you to sit 5 times.
He threw me down.
Yeah, he pushed you up against here because you weren't sitting. You're lucky you're not in jail right now.
Look, no, he threw me down. I'm as lawful.
And you almost stumbled into
My arms are up in the air.
Okay, so relax.
Like I'm doing exactly what was being asked. But he threw me down.
Just relax right now.
I am.
Okay? I do not want to take you to jail. But
I
relax.
don't want to go to jail.
Okay, relax. Listen and relax.
But I'm also not afraid to go to jail.
Okay, then
We ain't afraid to take you either.
we can work with that.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 11:05 in the morning.
Oh, in the morning?
Actually, yes, 11:05 in the morning. I actually don't really want to speak to you. I'd rather speak to him because you're an asshole. So please go back over there. Okay.
Okay, so the best
I'll face you. This squad over here can go back over there. So I'm sorry. I give you my ID.
Stop. Don't get in my space. Stop.
No, you were in my space. You were over there.
Right here, and I
Go back over there.
and I can be right here. What's gonna happen? What's the problem?
I'm not threatening
What's
you.
gonna happen?
I'm not threatening
So
you.
what's gonna happen?
Don't try to.
So what's gonna happen?
Don't try to talk
Tell me
to
what's gonna
threaten
happen,
me, bro.
So get out of my space. I'm right here. I can be
Actually,
here.
no. You just pushed me over here, so you just got in my space.
You backed into me.
No, but you just
So
pushed
you tell
me.
me what's gonna happen.
So I'm not telling you anything is
Let's
gonna
step over
happen,
here.
bro. Again, so we're gonna walk over here. Go mind your business.
Come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
I'm gonna talk to the gentleman.
Then walk over there.
That over here.
Then
So
walk
stay
over
the
there.
f- over there.
I can
Don't
be right
come
here
over
if I want.
Don't come over here.
Okay.
Don't come over here. Stay over there. Stay over there. Don't take the
You're not
left.
gonna
Step.
Listen to me.
You're not gonna
Why
tell me
you
what to
stepping
do.
forward?
You're not gonna tell me
This
what to
got nothing to
Look
do
this
with
way.
you, bro.
Okay, look this way.
Step over there.
Let's figure this out. Okay? Moving forward, your flight's at 11 something tomorrow. You can't go through the gate until at least 3 hours prior, which means you can't go.
Which I do know that. I
Okay.
do know that.
So
And
the
that's
only
why
thing
I
they
said I've
want
been
you to
fine.
do, the only thing they want you to do is just to leave the establishment. You can go anywhere else, go take a nap, go do whatever you want. I would just suggest keep your stuff close by because we get a lot of thefts. Okay, just
Okay,
make sure
and
you got your
that's-
stuff with you.
That's what I'm trying to explain. Because again, when we left here, we were inside here.
I got you.
We were inside here. We spoke to this lady right here. I can tell you her name, Sandra. We spoke to Sandra. He's been here before. So he asked Sandra, we're going to go to the store. We're going to go to the gas station and get some smoke,
Right.
some cigarettes or whatever the case may be. Can I leave my stuff here? She said, yes, you can leave your stuff here. So I said, you sure? So I left my stuff here. We just returned. When we came and returned and we sat down, the lady with the gold hair, whatever, came out. Oh, nah. I don't even know this lady. I didn't do anything. You could, just like I told the manager or the owner, you guys could run the camera back. I didn't do anything wrong. I've been sitting here calm, cool, and collected. Bro, my mother just died and I just buried my mother. So this little big ass mother.
He's got nothing to do with your mom.
No, he got plenty to do with it because he keep walking up on me and telling me to push off. But either ways, when
So I understand your frustration. All I could do is, well, what they told me, they just didn't want you sitting here because they already said you paid, everything was fine. They just wanted you to get out of the bar.
but that wasn't explained. If
No,
you
I
would've
understand.
said-
That's
if-
why I'm asking.
If you would have said that, then I would have had no problems getting up and leaving.
No, I didn't want to tell you that without understanding
not
your side of the story.
Not you.
Okay.
Not you.
We're talking about the manager.
I'm talking about them.
Oh, okay. Well, they didn't tell me everything. I didn't talk to them. They just don't want. They said you paid. Everything was fine. They just didn't want you here anymore. So the only thing you got to do is you can go anywhere else and relax and chill. You can, you can do whatever
I'm cool.
you want.
We was down to go. We was down to go.
Okay.
We was down to leave. But when the little bullshit ass manager, not the supervisor that called you,
Right.
the manager,
Okay.
when we kept trying to explain this shit to her,
Yeah.
she kept being nasty and getting nasty. And I'm sorry, that's why I could be black, but I don't like black people because they're ignorant as.
Okay.
And she was very ignorant. Not her. The little, if you can find her, the little gold, she got gold hair.
Okay, so
she
let's-
got blonde gold hair.
So let's
she
talk
was
about
very
this more
ignorant and
out of-
talk
out
to
of
us, talk to us
Yeah.
a different type of way.
Let's just get your stuff. We can go right out there if you want to. We don't have to go very.
Oh, I don't care. I just don't give a about that little pig ass mother.
These yours
What, you
too?
gonna- no, that's not mine. That's not mine.
These are these.
No, bro, there's no need, bro, to go back and forth. There's really no need,
Unfortunately,
bro.
with this little,
Bro,
I do.
I ain't even worried about you.
Actually,
So.
push me.
Are these his or not?
I'm really not.
These are
Let's go. Let's go.
Are these your friends?
Let's go.
Are these your friends?
These are. I'm sorry. Niall.
Is that him? Are these yours? Can he take them out for you? No. Okay. What do you touch stuff?
This is my phone. I'm getting my stuff. But you're.
You won't do nothing here, so I ain't worried about it.
You won't do nothing.
Okay.
You got your little home.
As far as you, who took his ID? You ran his ID? Who
No,
ran his ID?
homeboy over there.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What do you want to do?
I don't know. This guy.
No, I'm asking because the only thing they wanted you guys to do is just to leave the bar.
Yeah, well.
So that can be handled very
Yeah,
quickly.
he's not my friend.
Huh? He said he was with you.
Yeah, well, we just met each other.
Okay, that's fine. So the manager just wants you guys out of the bar.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll leave.
Okay, that's
not
fine.
a
You can go
problem.
right over there if you want to. I just need you to get out of
I
here.
do want to press charges on this guy.
Okay. We can talk about that outside of the establishment. 'Cause that's what we're here to do.
I didn't do anything.
Are both of those yours?
Threw me down. Yeah.
Go ahead and get them, and then we'll talk over there. Okay. All right. Hey, man, listen. Everything was easy. Everything was easy. Let's just make this easy. Step outside.
He actually touched me. He actually touched
Okay, let's go outside. Let's go
You gotta
outside.
leave the property. You gotta leave the property.
I'm being nice about it, man. Come on.
Bro, listen, I'm telling you, dog.
I just want his name.
This ain't
I've been trying to tell you. I've been trying to tell you. You gotta go.
Vargos.
Vargas. Yes, sir.
Vargos.
Back inside.
Yes, sir.
Vargos.
To arrest.
Okay, well,
gotta
I'm
go.
not inside.
Okay, you're
so I want
outside.
his name.
You're still going
Vargos
property.
Right?
Chevret.
You can read. There you go.
All right, there you go.
All right?
You walking up on me like you touched me.
sure.
I ain't even touched
For sure.
nobody.
For
I'm
sure.
not doing nothing.
For sure.
You gotta
I'm
go,
not
bro.
doing
I'm telling
anything.
you, bro.
Again, you
gotta
touch
go.
me again.
You gotta go. All right, you gotta go. Yes, sir.
Have a good day. You're about to go for disorderly conduct.
I'm sorry, he touched me.
Just go.
Just go. Don't make it worse. Don't make it worse. Go. Don't make it worse.
Tango 230, go on out with 222 in Orange County.
Have a nice day.
What happened? What happened here? What happened here?
I think he's good now.
Yeah, but what
it-
happened?
Down.
What happened?
He didn't want to sit after being told 5 times.
Okay.
So he got
Yeah,
sad.
and we have it on
Okay.
camera.
Is that all your stuff?
Threw me down.
Is that all yours? Your credit cards and all
I'm
that?
not gonna touch anything.
No, I'm asking if it's
Oh
yours.
boy, threw me down.
Okay, are those yours? Is that your
I'm
stuff?
not touching anything
Why do we gotta make this hard?
because you guys are attacking me.
I'm asking if that's your credit
Oh
card on the
boy,
floor.
attacked me.
Okay, get your stuff and let's go.
I'm not gonna touch
Get your stuff and let's
gun.
go. Come on. Come on.
Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm not sure what's happening.
You have every opportunity.
Wow. Something so simple.
That's all my stuff on the floor. That's all my stuff on the floor.
That we gave you the opportunity to pick up, right?
I can't touch
All right,
it.
dude, let's go.
Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Whatever, dude.
Can you pick that
No,
stuff up?
let's go. Let's go.
No, but can you stay? I'm not resisting. Can you pick up my stuff?
We're gonna get your room. Come on.
No, but can you pick up my
Yeah,
stuff?
we're gonna get your stuff. We'll get it.
No, but I'm not doing anything. Guys, I'm not doing anything. You want to keep pushing me?
Bro, stop playing around, bro.
I'm not
playing with you, bro.
I'm
Stop
not
walking
playing
around.
either.
Stop playing, bro. You're not playing, bro. You don't
I'm not gonna with you, all right?
We walking,
Either
right?
walk to the car, or that's
Hey,
it. Or we're
man,
gonna
you
drag
gonna,
you to
you
the
gonna
car.
eat the ground, bro. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, I'm
So
not
let's
a
keep on
fucking
walking.
problem.
Stop playing, bro.
I'm not a problem.
Then
But
stop pushing, stop
can I
pulling, and
get
stop
my
yanking.
stuff?
We got your stuff already.
We got
Where
your
is
bag
it?
with you.
If you're
Don't
not
worry about
understanding,
it.
you're
You're
under
going to jail.
arrest.
Let's go.
I know.
Okay.
I don't care.
So we got
We're
your
not-
stuff.
We're not gonna keep
I'm
out
on your
playing.
team.
Okay, so
You're
let's
not.
keep
I
on walking.
literally am on your.
Why? We're not gonna keep out playing.
I know. Don't keep.
Let's go. I got it.
Nope. Glasses. It's not important. It's not important.
Hey, don't do all this pulling and yanking again. I'm turning you that way. You're gonna get in the back of that car and that's it. In the store. It's on camera. We have it. He's gonna go with you. It's
all
on camera.
All my shit's on camera.
Yep, everything. Absolutely.
Can you guys just loosen up these cuffs, though? Seriously. Like,
they are pretty loose, but come on, stand up.
They're so tight, man. I'm not gonna cause any problems. I promise.
This is.
I'm not gonna cause any problems.
I mean, they're not coming off anyway. So.
I promise. I won't cause any problems.
Where's your buddy? He abandoned you.
He's not my friend. That's the craziest part. I haven't done the goddamn thing.
I've seen you for like 4 hours walking with him, bro.
You have?
Yes. Been like 4 hours walking around with him.
4 hours.
Walking around with him, yep. And this one's pretty loose too. I don't know how much looser you want it.
Well, I don't want to be torn up anymore.
Well, it's already pretty loose as is. There, I just loosened it some more. This is as loose as I can do.
Okay.
Yep. They're already locked.
And can you grab my money?
Everything is in the bag. Come on, get in the car.
What do you mean back up?
Well, because my shit was.
Get in the car. Get in the car and we're going to push you in the car, man. I'm done playing with you.
No, I'm on you guys' team.
Okay,
man.
so get in the car.
I'm working on it. Settle down. As a team.
Good.
Am I good?
Yep. Come
This is fortunate.
This is.
I haven't done a goddamn thing.
All you have to do is leave the bar. That's it.
Yeah, that's what I did.
2 charges. 1 unresolved legal question. Everything in this footage hinges on a moment that lasted 3 seconds. FLA, Stat, Sec 562.50. Duty not to serve intoxicated persons. A licensee is prohibited from serving apparently intoxicated patrons. This was a statutory duty, not a discretionary business decision. Officers assisting removal acted within the lawful execution of a legal obligation. Graham v. Connor, 490 US, 386, 1,000, 989, force before formal arrest must meet the objective reasonableness standard. 3 factors: severity of offense, immediate threat, and active resistance for a low severity bar removal. This legal threshold is narrow. Terry v. Ohio, 392 US, 1,000, 968, and the 4th Amendment physical compulsion to remain constitutes a seizure requiring reasonable suspicion. FLA, Stat, Sec 776.5 authorizes force only during a lawful arrest. Pre-arrest physical restraint requires a separately established legal basis. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 US, 451, 1,000, 987 verbal criticism of law enforcement, including profanity, is protected speech. State v. Saunders, 339 So.2d 641 FLA, 1,000. 976 mere words alone cannot sustain a conviction under FLA. Stat, Sec 877.3. FLA, Stat, Sec 810 trespass in structure after 11 minutes of repeated, unambiguous demands to leave. Probable cause for trespass and disorderly conduct was legally established. The window for voluntary compliance had fully closed. FLA, Stat, Sec 877.3. Disorderly conduct, misdemeanor 2. Verbal expression alone is insufficient to meet the statutory threshold. The totality test applies. Verbal, non-compliance, and physical obstruction, assessed together. Determine whether a breach of peace has occurred. FLA, Stat, Sec 843.2. Resisting officer without violence, misdemeanor 1. Elements: 1 officer in lawful execution of duty, 2 subject resisted, obstructed, or opposed the officer, 3 subject knew the person was a law enforcement officer. Physical compliance is determinative. Stated intent is not. Graham v. Connor, arrest force proportionality: 1 severity of the underlying crime at issue, 2 whether subject posed an immediate threat to officers or others, 3 whether subject was actively resisting or evading arrest. All 3 factors assessed at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. 3 lessons from this encounter for law enforcement. Pre-arrest physical force requires an independently established legal basis beyond responding to a routine removal call for civilians. Verbal assertion of compliance does not satisfy Sec 843.2 for establishments. How a removal is communicated determines whether it escalates. Force at 3 minutes 15 seconds preceded any formal arrest. Under Graham v. Connor, was it objectively reasonable for a low-severity removal, if that force lacked legal justification? The arrest itself may be called into question. 2 charges filed. 1 unanswered question. What would you decide?